Mounting a TV or monitor is rather simple, but if you don't do it correctly, you can end up wasting a lot of money or hurting someone, so do it right. There are two main types of TV mounts, a static one and an adjustable one.
In this video, we will be hanging an adjustable mount.
Both of these contain the same elements, the bracket that goes onto the wall and the faceplate which connects to your TV or monitor.
The faceplate will have multiple holes to fit a lot of TVs. Just make sure you check the box that you get to get the correct size, and then you just screw it into the back of your TV or monitor.
Alrighty, there's two tips when hanging a monitor or a TV that I learned from breaking a TV. Shout out the person that I broke the TV. Yeah, that was a lot of money wasted. Anyways, take off the bracket and put on the faceplate before you try to put it on the wall. And then the next one, I'll tell you in a second. The next important thing to know is that if your TV is heavy, you're going to want to put it on a stud. Even if your TV isn't heavy, you probably should put it on a stud. Either way, make sure you don't put it in a wall and then let it fall down and break everything. More importantly, so it doesn't hurt anyone. So find a stud, put it on there, and that's the safe way to do it. In this video, I only need one stud, but if you have a wider mount, you'll need two. And then you just put the TV, lift it up, and put it on the bracket, and make sure you tighten the screws or the bolts on the back of the bracket. And that is how you hang a TV or monitor. If you're curious on how to hide your TV wires so that it looks cleaner, check out this next video, and I will see you over there.